So we are at a local Tuscan market. We've got a bit of a challenge today. So we've gotten 40 euros to shop for local ingredients.
I just wanted to see what was fresh, what really jumped out. So I picked out what was really smiling at me.
My competitor is Chef Ranveer. He is from India.
My competitor is an amazing woman, Laura from New Jersey. In terms of styles of cooking, I think we're quite similar, but I feel I'm a little more instinctive.
But this is not Spice Town, okay? And we're gonna make us some pasta.
Put it on India.
I'm taking my win on the plane in my carry-on all the way to USA.
Nothing can beat a good curry. Laura, good luck.
Just stop. Don't start with me. You're trying to make me nervous. You're supposed to say break a leg.
All right. So good. Chef.
Hi, Chef.
Okay.
Everything's good.
For me, it's deuce.